How are you? See, in this session we have to learn about the probiotics. What is probiotics? See, which product we are getting, what functions is there. See, we have to learn in this session. Next, here in the probiotics is a products is there. Products. What products is there? See here, milk product, active bacteria. So it is a milk product, active bacteria. See example, lactobacillus. Which bacteria is there? Example, lactobacillus. So it is a lactobacillus. Next, here lactobacillus plus acidophilus. Next we have to learn lactobacillus casei. Next we have to see the Bifidobacterium. See, these are a bacteria. Bifidobacterium, betidine, etc. See, this like bacteria is there. Next, these microbes maintain the balance of the intestinal microorganisms. See, these microbes maintain the balance of intestinal microbes. See, what is there? See, in the probiotics, see, milk product, active bacteria is there. Which active bacteria? It is a lactobacillus bacteria. In this lactobacillus bacteria, see, it's a acidophilus is there, lactobacillus casei, and Bifidobacterium, see, betidine, see, etc. See, these microbes maintain the balance of the intestinal microbes. In the intestinal microbes, they are making the balance. Next, we have to see the what is the function of this bacteria. What is the function? We have to learn about the function also. Functions. See, what functions is there? See, increase the population of microbes, helping the digestion. Increase the population of microbes, and see, here is a helping the digestion. Helping the digestion. What increasing? Increasing the population of microbes. the microbes population is increasing in the helping of digestion. Next, decrease the population of harmful microbes. Decrease the population of harmful microbes. Harmful microbes in our digestive systems. See example, Clostridium. Clostridium. See this Clostridium bacteria is there. Next we have to see the here what's a products. See functions. What is the function of these microbes? See, increase the population of microbes helping in the digestion. Next, decrease the population of harmful microbes. Next, it is a example is a Clostridium. This Clostridium is a helping to us. See, this is a probiotics. Next, we have to see the another probiotics products are available in various forms. Probiotic products are available in various forms. So it is a in various forms. Like it is a yogurt. Next we have to see the kefir. Next we have to see the saucer, cot, sour, cot. Next we have to see the it is a dark chocolate, dark chocolate and miso soup. Next we have to see the micro algae. See these are present. See what said here. See we have to see the probiotics. Milk product active bacteria. It is a example Lactobacillus, Acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei and Bifidobacterium, Betidine, etc. These microbes maintain the balance of the intestinal microbes. Next, see what is the function here? Increase the population of microbes helping in the digestion. Next, decrease the population of harmful microbes. See example Clostridium. It is a probiotic products are available in the various forms like yogurt, kefir and sauerkraut and dark chocolate, miso soup and microalgae. These are present. Next we have to learn about the some questions is there in your book. We have to complete that questions also. Here in your textbook is a questions also given. What said why the probiotic have developed much important in recent days. Why? See, form the colony of the useful microbes. Forms the, see this answer. Answer is what said? See why the probiotic have developed much importance in recent days. You have to see in your book. See, form the colonies of useful microbes. Forms the colonies of useful microbes. So it is a colonies like a forming. It is a number of microbes. This slide is a forming. See, we are calling the colonies of microbes. Next, control other microbes. Next one is a control other microbes. See, control the other microbes also. Next, we have to see their activity and their activity. Next, improve the resistance. Their resistance and lower the ill effect. Lower the ill effect. Next, make the microbes active. Makes the microbes active. Okay. See, here what said? Question you have to see once. Why the probiotic have the development much importance in recent days? See what said here? Form the colonies of useful microbes. Useful microbes is a forming the thick colony like. Next, control the other microbes and their activity. These microbes is a controlling the other microbes and their activity also. Next, improve their resistance. Their resistant power and lower the ill effect of the make microbes active. It is a keeping the microbes is a active. Next, what uses is there? Treatment of diarrhea. See, we have to see the uses. Treatment of diarrhea. And see, we have to see the treatment of the poultry. And treatment of poultry farm. Poultry. So it is a treatment. Next, we have to see the here these are a using. Which one? Probiotics. Next, we have to learn the bread. Next one is a bread is there. See, we have to take the dough of bread. Dough of bread. See, dough of bread. See, we have to take the maida. See, maida, pindi. See, maida, atta. See, we have to take the maida. And this maida too, we have to add to the, so it is a bread plus flour. Next, this maida par, see, we have to add to the baker's yeast. Add to the baker's yeast. And we have to add to the water plus salt. We have to add. See, see this dough for we have to add to the flour and baker's yeast, water plus sodium chloride. It is a adding to the sugar also. Adding to the sugar also. What will happen here? We have to see the fermentation process. Fermentation. What is fermentation? What is fermentation? We have to see the fermentation. See, here fermentation means the process of the conversion of sugar into alcohol. The process conversion of sugar into alcohol and by the action of yeast, is called fermentation. See, we have to see the fermentation means what is the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol. Sugar into alcohol by the action of yeast is called fermentation. See, we are doing the here fermentation. How? So it is a, we have to write the fermentation here. Fermentation. And in the fermentation process, see, we have to add to the sugar. In this presence of sugar and see convert into what will form here? See, it is a carbon dioxide plus ethanol. See, convert into carbon dioxide plus ethanol. Carbon dioxide plus ethanol. See, here is a forming. Next, this fermentation dough and here is a forming the dough is a rising. Dough is a rising. See, it will be rising the dough and here is a forming the bread becomes spongy. Next, bread become spongy. See, once you have to listen here, listen. See, fermentation process, we are adding to the sugar. This sugar, any sugar, we have to see the any flour. See, wheat flour, rice flour, maize flour. See, किसी का भी आटा. See, उसमें क्या करना है? Sugar ऐड करना है. See, in this sugar आटा, it is a converted into is a carbon dioxide plus ethanol. How? In the presence of yeast. Presence of the yeast. And see what will happen in fermentation? During the fermentation, the dough will be grow. It is a rising. For example, we are taking the dough here. See, here we are taking the dough. See, in this beaker, what will happen? Dough will be rising. See, this like dough will be rising. This like bubbles will be formed. See, in the presence of bubbles, what will happen? See, small bubbles is a forming. See this like small bubbles. See, in the small bubbles, it is a rising of the carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas also rising, and it is a coming to the smell. It is a plus ethanol smell. Ethanol smell. See, we have to see the here forming this like alcohol smell. So you have to do at your home also. You have to take the some seeds like moong seeds, udad seeds, and see we have to see the another chana seeds and pour in a glass, and see you have to see the within a 5-6 hours what will happen. The seeds will be sprouting the seeds, and it is a coming to the smell. Alcohol like smell is a coming, and the seed is a absorbing, and it is a coming to the small plant like. See here this like, and we have to see the become a spongy, and we have to see the this is a spongy. That's why we are adding to the commercial, who is doing the commercial business. See idli center, see so many bakery items, it is a preparing, they are adding to the this like yeast powder inside, and it will be form the dough, and it will be become a spongy. See bread become a spongy, means it is a baking this, and it will be form the spongy like smooth, porous is there, smooth and porous. Next we have to see the here. See this is a, next we have to see the commercial bakery industries compressed the yeast. Yeast is a compressed, and domestic uses, see dry and granular form also it is a using. See next we have to learn about the vinegar production. Vinegar production. See what is vinegar means? Acetic acid. See in the acetic acid, see we have to see the sour in taste. See acetic acid is a sour in taste. Next we have to see the functions. Preservation of food. Functions is preservation of food. See we are preserving the number of food items like pickles. See so many substances is preserving, and we are adding to the preservation of food. Next we have to see the here. See chemical content 4% acetic acid. See chemical content 4% acetic acid. See we have to see the formula of the acetic acid. CH3 C double bond OH. We have to write this like, or CH3 COOH. So this like also we have to write the acetic acid. Next we have to see the carbon compounds. What is carbon compounds? See we have a lesson also, carbon compounds. See any carbon compounds. See we have to see the carbon compounds like wheat flour, jawari, next potato, sugarcane. These all are carbon compounds. In the presence of carbon compounds, it will form the ethanol plus alcohol. In the presence of yeast, it will form the ethanol plus alcohol. Alcohol we are getting. Next, in this alcohol, presence of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Next, we have to see the here Acetobacter and Gluconobacter. Next one is a Acetobacter plus Gluconobacter. Acinobacter and Gluconobacter plus ethanol. Ethanol, it will be converted into microbial degradation. Microbial degradation. Microbial degradation. Okay. In the microbial degradation, it will be converting into the, what will happen here? It is a bleach. Here is a doing the bleach. In the bleach, it is a potassium ferrocyanate. Potassium ferrocyanate. Potassium ferrocyanate. It will be converted into pasteurized and here forming the add SO2, sulfur dioxide, and here is forming the finally vinegar. See this slide, we are getting the finally vinegar. See vinegar production, acetic acid, sour in taste. Next functions, preservatives. So many substances for preservative for adding the acetic acids. Chemical content 4% acetic acid is present. Next, carbon compounds. So many carbon compounds is there in the presence of yeast and Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and ethanol alcohol is the productions. See it is a Acetobacter and Gluconobacter ethanol. See these both are microbial degradations. It is a breakdown their molecules, means degradations. It is a bleaching for using the potassium ferrocyanate. It is a pasteurization is a doing. See pasteurization also doing. It is a add to the sulfuric acid. We are getting the finally what? Vinegar. Next we have to see the preparing the soya sauce fermentations. It is a, we are using the soya bean and it is a flour of the wheat or rice. We are adding to the aspergillus are using, and we are getting the finally soya sauce fermentations. This is about the, see